miles an hour. Automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIK, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. West of today, cloudy. Scattered flurries with a slight chance of rain showers late in the morning, then scattered snow showers this afternoon. Cooler with
fire truck.
West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour.
Of course, the ER210 decided it would be funny to not go off. Wait, it was on the right station. Wonder why it didn't then.
Partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s.
Well,
West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts
yeah.
up to 25 miles an hour.